Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vanilla fudge at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Before we start cooking, make sure to prepare a 9 by 9 inch baking pan by lightly greasing it. This will ensure your fudge releases easily later. Now let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of butter. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Continue cooking without stirring until a candy thermometer reads exactly 234 degrees Fahrenheit. After reaching the correct temperature, carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. It's crucial to let the mixture cool undisturbed for about 15 minutes. Resist the urge to stir it during this time. Once it has cooled slightly, add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, the fun part. Beat the fudge vigorously with a wooden spoon or electric mixer until it thickens considerably and loses its initial glossy appearance. Once your fudge has thickened and lost its shine, quickly pour it into your prepared 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Allow the fudge to set completely at room temperature for a minimum of 2 hours or until it is firm. Finally, cut the firm fudge into 1-inch squares and enjoy your homemade, creamy vanilla fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.